Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to withdraw cash from Payoneer account to local bank account. We'll be using in the previous tutorial. There is a tutorial that I've created how to attach a local local bank account. I'll be taking you how to withdraw. We'll withdraw to that local bank account. We'll come in here to setting bank accounts. So when we come to bank account, we will see that now we have bank accounts. There is a bank for withdraw. Those are the banks for withdraw. We can see this is the new. In the previous video I just recorded about how attaching it has been approved. This is a bank account, but it is USD based, so it will be good to work with it. So I'll say withdraw cash to that bank. It will tell me. So upon clicking the bank, I'll say withdraw details. Withdraw to your personal or company. Add a new account. So we are withdrawing cash from USD balance. The current balance in USD is $343. We are depositing to we to the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. That is the account that we just attached. So then we will say that the amount that we want to send here is 250 US dollars. So it says the minimum you can transact is $50. So we'll say 250. So we want to send $250. Amount to be deposited is 245. It tells us there is a limit that we can see the withdraw amount. The withdraw amount is 1110 US dollars to withdraw this month. So we will view them. There is a limit. We can see monthly limit still available. Need to increase the month limit. These are USDs. So that balance is big. The fee that I'm being charged is $5. So what I'll do, I'll come and see. I'll put a very clear description. You can see the service fee is $5. We see donation to an epileptic patient. Ensure the descriptions will appear in the transaction. We'll send a review. Once we send a review, we'll see this is the review. Withdraw to bank. These are the details that is withdrawing the amount to 250 US dollars. It's withdrawing to the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. So amount to be deposited is $245. The description. Then we will click withdraw. Once we click withdraw, it will be able to process out. It tells us to complete, enter verification code. Payoneer is very safe. It ensures that anytime that you are withdrawing cash, you always have two-factor authentication method. In my tutorials, and I'll attach in the description link how to enable two-factor security method. It tells us I'm to receive a code. I've already received it. I'm able to input it here. So I've not received the call the first time. I've restarted my phone, and you'll just see here. You'll just say here and come and say that you also have an option to say call me, and they'll be able to call you. I'm sure now I'll be able to get the code. I'm really waiting for it. So I've received the code, and to complete, you have using the the security verification. I've received the code. There is an option that I should click here. Don't ask for the code when withdrawing cash from these. No, I really need it to be asking. I'll not click this. I need any time the transaction is being withdrawn from me, a code is sent me on my phone call. So in case I'm not and I see a code in my call, I know somebody is trying to mess up with my Payoneer account. I'll be able to submit it. Once I submit it, because I don't want it to go away, it tells me your funds are on the way. We'll send your confirmation emails shortly. Check the email for details on when the funds will be able to reach your bank. I think now that that is a very clear tutorial on how to withdraw cash from PayPal account to your attached local bank account, and this time it's a USD account. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. In case you need to sign up for Payoneer, go in the description link, find my link, sign up using my link. By clicking my link and then signing up, you'll earn yourself $25, and you can see get paid. Sign up and earn yourself $21, and anytime you reach a thousand US dollars in your transaction, you'll get a bonus of $50 from Payoneer. And another advantage is that once you use my link to sign up, you will be, when transferring cash from PayPal to Payoneer, you will be you will not be charged anything as compared to the normal transaction fee for 1% dollars. In case you need to contact me via my official Gmail account, or head to my description link. You will find my WhatsApp number where you'll be able to reach me out, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording.